So guys, I'm Mr. Dharmendra Sharma, and in this video we're gonna learn about how to make a bootable flash drive. If you don't know how to make a bootable media pen drive, then this video is for you, and I will show you complete best easy method to make a bootable pen drive. First of all, I would like to tell you what exactly bootable media is. So if you don't know what is bootable media, so then let me tell you in short. So the bootable media is a digital data storage medium from which a computer can load and run an operating system, and which is mostly used to install the operating system in any computer. So first we need a software to make a bootable pen drive, and we'll use the Refuge software. It is a portable software and you don't need to install this software. It can be run directly without installation. So first we need to download this software. So let's open our browser and download it. Just search on Google Rufus download and then click on first site, and then you will get it. After downloading the software, just right click on it and click on run as administrator and click on yes. So now it's saying that to update it online, but we won't update it, so just click on no and then the software will be open. So now all you need to do that plug the flash drive in your computer's USB port and follow the step. Now select your pen drive by clicking on here and keep the boot section default. Now select the operating system you want to install it. Make sure that you have downloaded the operating system which you want to install in your computer. So from here choose your operating system ISO file, and so in my case I'm creating the bootable pen drive of the Windows 10. You can choose any operating system. The method is same for every operating system, but make sure that your pen drive must be at least 8 GB for the latest Windows OS. And then the thing you have to make sure that about the partition sim, here you need to select the appropriate option from here in the partition sim. Now how can you know that which option is compatible for your computer? So to know that, we need to check our partition table of the disk in which we are going to install the operating system. So to do that, you can use window graphical disk management or the tool command line. So let me show you how. First open the disk management by right clicking on window logo and choose the disk management option from here. So it will open the disk management in your computer, and now right click on the hard drive in which you want to install your operating system. So I have installed only one drive in my computer, you can see that. So I'm right clicking here and just click on properties, then click on volume tab, and now here you can see that my computer disk uh, partition style is on GPT. So I need to select the partition sim GPT here. In your case this may be different, maybe MBR or maybe GPT as me. So I will select the GPT option here in partition sim and then keep the everything default and just click on the start. Now it's saying that all the data will be erased after clicking on yes. So it is better to make the copy of your data which is inside your pen drive, because everything will gonna erase in this process. So click on yes, and so it may take 10 to 20 minutes. It depends on your computer system. If your processor is powerful, then it won't take a long time. So I'll show you when the process will be complete. So now the pen drive has been created successfully and it can boot any computer which disk style is GPT. So now you just need to do one thing. Please make sure that you have subscribed our channel, and also make sure that you have pressed the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.